Hello everyone, I am Shubham M. Chaudhary, lecturer at Kekewag Institute of Pharmacy. In today's pharmacognosy practical, we are conducting experiment number 15. Aim to study morphological characters of drugs acting on central nervous system like aconite, ashwagandha, ephedra and antitussive agents like tulsi and vasaka. Learning objectives: intellectual skill to develop the ability to identify crude drugs with the help of morphological characters, to identify some special features. Motor skill, ability to handle the crude drugs for observation. Brain and spinal cord are two main portions of central nervous system. The CNS is associated with all the voluntary actions and their coordinations. Many of the responses are due to the proper coordination between autonomic and central nervous system. The site of action of antitussive drug is pulmonary membrane that hastens or alters expectoration of it. These agents stimulate and expel the bronchial mucus and help in their removal. Morphological characters of crude drugs are evaluated by color, odor, taste, size, shape and special features like touch, texture and sound. The study of form of crude drug is morphology, while description of the form is morphography. Aconite. Synonym: monkshoot, wolf's bane, friar's cowl, mouse bane, aconite root, mithazahar, radix aconiti. Biological source: aconite is a dried root of Aconitum napellus Linn, collected from wild or cultivated plants, family Ranunculaceae. Macroscopy. Color dark brown, odor slight, taste slight causing tingling sensation followed by numbness of tongue. Size usually 4 to 10 cm in length and 1 to 3.5 cm in width. It is broad towards the crown and tapering towards distal end. Shape conical and tapering. Extra features: it is slightly twisted and deeply wrinkled. The broader end of roots shows numerous rootlets and scars. Ashwagandha. Synonym: Withania roots, ashwagandha, asgandha. Biological source: it consists of dried roots and stem bases of Withania somnifera, family Solanaceae. Macroscopy. Color buff to grey yellow in color. Stem bases are green. Odor strong. Taste mucilaginous, bitter and acrid. Powder drug is pungent and acidic in taste. Size 10 to 17.5 cm in length and 6 to 12 mm in diameter. Shape is straight, unbranched and conical. Extra features: fibers like secondary roots are also present on the drug. The roots as well as stem bases are longitudinally wrinkled. Nodes are prominent on the sides wherefrom the petioles arises. Fracture is short and uneven. Ephedra. Synonym: mahong, Chopin mahong. Biological source: ephedra consists of dried young stem of Ephedra gerardiana and Ephedra nebrodensis belonging to family Gentaceae or Ephedraceae. It contains not less than 1% of alkaloids calculated as ephedrine. Macroscopy. Color greenish yellow, odor aromatic and pine-like, taste astringent, size. The stems are about 30 to 35 cm in length and 5 mm in diameter. Shape cylindrical, elongated with well-marked furrows, nodes, internodes and stipulate leaves on nodes. Tulsi. Synonym: sacred basil or holy basil. Biological source: Tulsi consists of fresh and dried leaves of Ocimum sanctum Linn, family Labiaceae. Organoleptic characteristics: color greenish, odor aromatic, taste aromatic, size 2 to 5 cm long, 1.5 to 3.2 cm wide, margins entire or serrate, shape, leaves are simple, elliptical, oblong, obtuse or acute, flowers are ventricellate in racemes. The plant is considered sacred by Hindus and is grown throughout in India. It is cultivated near Hindu temples and in gardens. It is an annual herb with much branched stem having verticillate inflorescence. The flowers are purple in racemes. The petiolate leaves are oblong with acute apex and entire or serrated margin. Trichomes are present on both the surfaces of the leaves and they are minutely gland dotted. Vasica. Synonym: Adathoda, Vasicifolium and Adulsa. Biological source: Vasica consists of dried as well as fresh leaves of plant Adathoda vasica Nees belonging to family Acanthaceae. Microscopy. Organoleptic characters: color dull brownish green, odor slightly characteristic, taste somewhat bitter, size 10 to 20 cm long and 3.5 to 6 cm broad, shape entire lanceolate, markedly acute at the base and slightly acuminate towards the apex. Conclusion: with the help of the morphological characters given, unknown crude drugs are confirmed to be aconite, ashwagandha, ephedra, tulsi and vasica. Thank you.